Some people feel that they need to spend a fortune with Rakuten in order to get a big fat check, but that's not the case. There are ways to earn money with this app, and I'm going to go over 6 different ways on how you get paid and make a little bit extra cash for yourself. Okay, so what the heck is Rakuten? Well, it's an app that saves people money when they go shopping. Okay, it's kind of similar to the Honey app. I don't know if you've heard of that one. However, there's a big difference. The Honey app has some controversy around it because, well, allegedly, what happened is some of these big name influencers were promoting the Honey app, and the Honey app would be stealing their commissions. So there's some like lawsuits and legal issues. So that's what happened was that Honey app, it actually got delisted from a lot of affiliate networks. And Mr. Beast was one of them. Allegedly, there's still probably more going on about that, or I don't know. I actually tried to get into the Honey app a long time ago because if somebody just downloaded it, I would make I think like 50 cents. It's really cool, and I just used the app to find discounts. But they didn't accept me. Luckily enough, I didn't get into it. But that's what it does, okay? But there are ways to make cash with Rakuten without buying products, and that's what I want to talk about. One way, one of the best ways, is by referring people to the platform, and if they spend $50 within 90 days, then by referring them, you get $50. That's not bad. That's a lot of money, $50, right? And also, there's a welcome bonus for them as well, and it may change, but at the time it's $50 within 90 days, they also get. So everybody wins, okay? And obviously this is a time thing, so that $50 welcome bonus may change, it may drop or may increase or whatever. But it's really cool. And what's so cool about Rakuten, I think, is they take everybody as an affiliate. You could, you're brand new, you don't know anything, we'll just take you. And then you can actually make money. Some affiliate programs are very, very strict. And so it's all over the place, and some will take anybody. Like, there's a plugin called Rank Math, and I use it all the time for my WordPress site, and I've been using it forever. I've been blogging forever, and I get traffic, and they still won't take me. So it's just the way it goes sometimes. All right. The second one, and this is like a nifty little strategy, is with gift cards. Okay. So what happens is if you refer someone, they have to like spend $50 within 90 days to trigger out these $50 bonus checks for everybody. And what they could do, and a great idea is gift cards, is you can go on the app and you can get a gift card for the amount they need to spend, and they also get a cashback reward. And it could change. There's some places like Raise or gift card, which is like, it could be like $15. At the time, I found one for 1% back, which is not that good, but whatever. And so what that means is they get the gift card, right? It triggers that bonus, and they also get the cash back as well. So they get paid, and they get the welcome bonus. And I hope that makes sense, because the gift card they're going to use it's kind of similar to cash in some ways. So like Amazon or something like that. And another idea is free cash, and this is what I found. It's like a 5% cash back, and it's like an app where somebody does like games or test apps, does surveys, simple stuff. They get paid, and as soon as they earn $50, they get an extra $5 bonus, which is cash back. So I guess they have to do something. They can't just like download the app to get the cash back, right? They have to like hit the milestone. And that's how they get the welcome bonus, and that's how you get paid as well. So I hope that kind of makes sense a little bit. That's a nifty little strategy on how everybody can get paid with a Rakuten, okay? Another thing, but the magic with a Rakuten, a third way, is it stacks with other things. And that's what's so cool about this, is there's grocery receipts. I don't know if you ever heard about this. I just heard about it on myself. Like, I've only been doing it for like a month. And for one person, I think I've earned like $25 or something like that. And some of these apps are brand new. I just started using them. So it can really add up. And what it basically means is after you go grocery shopping, you take a photo of your receipt and they pay you. And it takes like 2 seconds. And It's not a lot, but I mean, it adds up, and everything helps nowadays, especially with the gas prices and stuff. So it's really cool. I think it's like the coolest thing in the world. Um, so that's one of them. And there's actually 11 apps that I use. Okay, and I have a link to all these 11 apps I use, and with each of these links, you can have bonus points by using them. And I'll put the link down below to this. This has a bunch of resources in the description, the first comment. Okay, all right. And before I forget too, if you got some value so far, please consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button. It helps me. Okay, that's the truth. It just helps me. Otherwise, I don't know. All right. So next up is if you are going to refer people to Rakuten, this is the fourth way. I think it's the fourth way. Is email. Okay, email. I've been into trying to make money online and affiliate marketing for like 15 years. And back in the day, it was all about building a list. And today, it's still about building a list. And the reason why, well, one reason is a lot of these list building softwares are like free. Back in the days, they were super expensive. So there's no excuse nowadays almost. You should really build a list because a lot of these platforms, they change all the time. They change their rules. They get strict. I mean, I have so many stories. Just recently, I posted to medium.com and I linked to these 11 apps that I use for grocery receipts I was so excited about. Somehow some AI flagged it or some person flagged it. My whole account got deactivated, disconnected, just canceled. So the only way to kind of protect yourself online, one is to build a list too, because you kind of own the traffic that way. That's kind of how it is. You have more control. And two is to partner with lots of platforms and lots of brands. Because brands change too. There's a story about one affiliate marketer where he was heavy in this one brand, and all of a sudden they kicked him out of it. He was like, oh shit, my whole business is around this one brand. And now he has to go out there and, it really hurt his business. So I hope that makes sense. I hope those are some lessons out there. And it's always going to be that way. I mean, I want to tell you just one more story. I went to this training class with this one girl who was had a TikTok shop. And as she was doing the class, she was like on the edge of losing her entire shop because of violations. So it's just risky if you just do everything on one platform and just one thing that you promote or whatever. So anyways, email list is the way to go, and I got a whole cheat sheet on how to do it for free. All the secrets that I spent lots of money and time figuring out, I'm giving them for free. All right. Another cool thing is Rakuten has a browser extension as well, which helps you find discounts and deals. And there's also a thing called double cashback events. Basically, they're like events when somebody gets a shit ton of cash back on buying something. So you could find those deals, those big discounts, and you mention them. And if they use your referral link, then you get paid. So that's another way. Okay. So basically, you refer people to the platform. That's how you get paid. And the last one is they have an influencer program as well. And if you have more of a presence online, okay, this allows you to earn commissions by promoting certain brands and products. So now to get accepted, you most likely need a website or maybe a YouTube channel or some type of like following or something like that online to get accepted. But the cool thing is if you start off with a regular one and if you refer 10 qualified referrals in a single quarter, they automatically promote you to influencer, and then you have more ways of making money. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And I'll give you another example, another story, like TikTok Shop, right? There used to be a backdoor entrance where you could sign up, and they closed it. So you need 1,000 followers to have a TikTok Shop. So there's all these like workarounds and stuff like that. They stopped that workaround thing. Okay, so another thing is, like I mentioned earlier, is grocery receipts. Okay, and I have a whole video about 5 apps that will take any receipt, And they take 1 second, like no work. And if it doesn't matter what receipt it is, they'll just take it and pay you for it. And I'll put the video up here as well, just down in the description. You can check it out for more. And in this resource here, I got a bunch of other ways that you can save some cash, and some really easy ways to make some extra cash too in these crazy times that we have going on. And I'll put the link to this article in the description in the first comment. All right, you have a wonderful rest of your day, okay? All right, take care. Bye.